In this guide, we will explore essential details about the Opel Astra H 2004 to 2009 fuse box. Where can you locate the fuse box in your vehicle, and how do you interpret the fuse box diagram? What are the different fuse functions and their corresponding locations? Luggage compartment fuse box. The luggage compartment fuse box in the Opel Astra H 2004 to 2009 is responsible for protecting and distributing electrical power to various rear-end systems of the vehicle. It includes fuses and relays that manage functions such as the rear lights, trailer socket, parking sensors, heated rear window, and certain audio components. This fuse box is designed for convenient access, allowing for straightforward maintenance and replacement of fuses related to luggage area electrical features. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box of the Opel Astra H 2004 to 2009 contains essential fuses and relays that protect and control major electrical components such as the cooling fan, fuel pump, ABS system, and ignition system. It plays a critical role in ensuring the safe operation of high-current circuits under the hood. Each fuse is designated for a specific function, making troubleshooting and maintenance more efficient. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools. Check for the correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.